Welcome to the Animal AgTech Innovation Summit 2021. This video will show you how to best use the virtual event platform. You'll be sent an email to log into the platform, which will come from noreply@swapcard.com. Click the Let's Get Started button to enter the platform. The first task once entering the platform is to complete your profile. Click Edit above your details on the left-hand side of the page. Based on your registration information, a profile is created for you, but it is important to complete your profile with additional information because this will enable you to make the best connections via the platform. The matchmaking artificial intelligence within the platform favours profiles which are most complete. So a profile with a photo will be given priority over a profile without a photo, for example. So it's important to enter as much information as you can. To your profile, you can add a headshot, biography, edit details imported from your event registration, add additional contact information, link social media accounts, and add information about your company. All this information will enrich your profile and allow artificial intelligence to help you find the most relevant people with whom you can connect. Once you've updated your profile, head to the My Planner tab. Here is where you'll be able to manage your schedule during the summit. First of all, check My Meetings to see if you have already received any meeting requests from other delegates. You can accept or decline each meeting, and once you've accepted it, it will be added to My Schedule. You can also mark yourself as unavailable at specific times by clicking Make Unavailable next to that time slot. The unavailable slots will then no longer be displayed on your profile, and other participants will no longer be able to book meetings with you on these slots. At any time, you can make these times available again by clicking Make Available. My Planner page is where you'll see your chosen sessions and roundtables and where you can manage your one-to-one meetings, and we'll come to each of these in turn throughout this video. Back on the home page, let's first click on the Watch Live button. Here you'll be able to watch the live session and see the sessions that are coming up next, which will autoplay after each session finishes. Note that the session timings are shown in your computer's location. On the right-hand side, you can chat with other attendees also watching the session, ask questions to speakers, and answer any polls. Linked to the stream, you will see speakers and sponsors' profiles. To see the whole agenda, click on the Agenda button. On the left, you can apply filters and search for either plenary sessions or specific tracks, and the right shows you sessions you have already registered for. You don't need to register for sessions, but to add them to your personal schedule, click the plus icon next to the session, or click in the session itself and click Register. These will then be shown in My Planner, My Schedule. As soon as the session begins, watch them live by clicking on the session title or by simply hitting the Watch Live button on the homepage. All sessions will be available to watch on demand for a month after the live event. And for that month, you will also be able to continue to share messages with speakers, exhibitors, and attendees to ensure that you maximise the networking value from the summit. Next, clicking on the Book One-to-One Meetings button, I can see a list of all delegates registered for the summit. As mentioned earlier, based on the information you add to your profile, the system will display at the top of the list AI matches. On the left, you can search for the attendee list for specific names or companies, or filter the list by company type, company, or country. To connect with someone, click on their profile, add a message, and click Send Connection Request, which will enable you both to share contact details, including email, telephone, and address. Once you have connected, you can also send that person a private message, and these connections will be shown under My Planner, My Networking. To schedule a video meeting, click on the attendee's profile to view all of their available time slots. Select a time, select virtual, add a message, and click Send Meeting Request, and the attendee will be notified of your request. Pending and accepted meetings will be shown in the other attendee's profile and in My Planner, My Meetings. These can then also be exported to your computer's calendar. If you have a lot of meetings that have been pending for several days, don't hesitate to cancel some of them to free up meeting slots, as pending meetings block your meeting slots. To reschedule a meeting, you will have to cancel it and rebook that meeting at a different time. Automatic notifications are sent within the system and are listed in the bell icon. When you receive a meeting request and also a few minutes before the meeting starts, you will be sent a reminder. Also, when you cancel a meeting, your contact will be notified this way. During the summit, regularly check My Planner, My Schedule to manage your personal schedule. When it's time for a scheduled meeting, you will click on a video call button that will appear next to the meeting in My Schedule. Click on this to start the meeting at the set time. Ensure that you share your camera to help with the face-to-face element during the meeting, and you'll have this meeting within the system itself. We have added a networking sessions tab, so you can easily see the networking sessions that are taking place across the summit. And the roundtables tab displays all of the roundtables. At specific times during the summit, there are going to be roundtable discussion groups, which you will need to sign up for in advance. Each roundtable is limited to 11 attendees to ensure that they work as an opportunity to drill down into topics in small groups of people where everyone can be shown on screen at once. Each roundtable discussion group is based on a specific theme, offering a valuable opportunity to network, brainstorm solutions and share ideas with peers on shared areas of interest. On this page, you can find a list of all the roundtables, the times, the topics, and the hosts. To register for your selected roundtable and reserve your seat, add the session to your agenda. And it will then appear in your schedule under My Planner. When it is time for the roundtable to take place, open up the roundtable session that you have registered for and click on a link that will be added to the description, which will then take you to the live round networking discussion. You will need to have your camera and microphone on, as these will work like a Zoom meeting where everyone at the roundtable can talk to and see each other. Clicking on the exhibition tab, this is a list of all the partners that are displayed, with each having their own virtual exhibition booth, showing information, links, and documents. Sessions, which sponsors are speaking at, are also linked to their booth. You can one-to-one chat with a company on the right-hand side, and also book meetings in the same way that you would do with attendees. You can bookmark the exhibition booth, which will then be linked under My Planner, My Bookmark Companies. And at the bottom of the page, each company's representatives are linked to the exhibition booth, and clicking on the name will direct you to their individual profiles. The startups page shows details of the startup companies that are taking part in the summit, and clicking on the logos will show you more information. Finally, let's head back to the My Planner page. As you can see, the sessions and the roundtables that I have registered for now appear in my schedule, and my confirmed one-to-one meetings will also appear here. You can export your whole schedule to your computer's calendar application by clicking the Export button on the right-hand side. Don't forget to check My Meetings to accept and decline incoming meeting requests and monitor the requests you've sent. My Networking shows the details of the connections that I have sent, and My Bookmark Companies shows the details of the sponsoring companies that I have saved. At the end of the event, you can download all of this into a PDF. Enjoy the virtual summit.